Hello everyone. I'm going to read 10 sentences for the O sound. 1. Maud saw that the dog caught the ball. 2. Maud coughed into the soft cloth. 3. They caught my daughter and fought the law. 4. The wall in the hall is glossy and long. 5. All 4. I thought I ought to talk to Paul. 6. I fought with my awful boss often. 7. Saul is bald, tall, and haughty. 8. There's a fawn on our lawn every autumn. 9. I thought the sauce was salty and the meat was raw. 10. He coughed and thought he ought to call the doctor. Thank you so much for watching my video.